World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated to create and increase awareness about natural resources and how one can live sustainably. World Nature Conservation Day acknowledges that a healthy environment is foundation for the stable and healthy society. The difference between a successful man and others is not a lack of strength, rather, it's a lack of will. A very cheerful morning to respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I, Fatma Shabana, welcome you all in this pleasant morning. Let's get ready to remember the Almighty, the creator of whole universe. For the prayer, here comes Muhammad H.M.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you, Muhammad. Pledge means an oath to fulfill our duties. Let's take a vow with Rizwan.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all my elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thanking you, Rizwan, for remembering our duties. Do you all read newspaper or heard news in this morning? I'm sure you couldn't, but don't worry. To update us about the happenings around the world, here comes Shada Shair for English news reading.
Hello and welcome to today's news headlines. Yediyurappa bows out. Suspense rises over new Karnataka CM. Bengal forms panel to look into Pegasus snooping allegations. Rahul Gandhi drives tractor to house to protest farm laws. Kasaragod makes COVID negative certificate mandatory for vaccination. News in detail. B.S. Yediyurappa submitted his resignation as Chief Minister to Governor of Karnataka on Monday. The West Bengal government on Monday set up an inquiry commission of 2 members to look in Pegasus snooping allegations. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi drove a tractor to Parliament to express solidarity with the protesting farmers. Centre will have to take back black laws, Mr. Gandhi said. With the number of COVID-19 cases spiraling in the district, Kasaragod authorities have made COVID-19 negative certificate mandatory for vaccination. That's all the news for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Shahada. A new day comes, a new strength, new thoughts, and endless possibility. To enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Zelfa Zakaria with thoughts of the week.
Good morning to all. I am Zelfa. Today
is World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day each year on July 28 is celebrated. Here I can present some thoughts about World Nature Conservation Day. Do not cut the forest. Limit noise pollution. Resist the introduced to end the mountain. Do not let the water flow excessively. Promote technologies to improve the climate. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, Zulfa. I would like to invite my friend Zain Abdullah for a fabulous speech on Nature Conservation Day in English.
Hi, good morning, my dear principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about World Conservation Day. World Conservation Day is observed on July 28th across the world to raise awareness about protecting the natural resources. It's facing a huge problems like deforestation, illegal wildlife. It includes maintaining diversity of species, genes, and ecosystems. Conservation of nature means preservation of forest, land, water bodies, minerals, fuels, natural gases, and etc. Life would be not easy without air, water, sunlight, soil, as well as other natural resources present on the earth. It seems to me that natural world is the greatest source of excitement, the greatest source of intellectual interest, said by the famous British naturalist. So my dear friends, save nature, save earth, save life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Zayan. It was wonderful. Where we go, where we live, we should not forget our mother tongue, since we are in our own country. Here is my dear friend, Miss Ria, for a Malayalam speech.
നമസ്കാരം കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണ ദിനത്തിന്റെ പ്രാധാന്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. വൈവിധ്യമാർന്ന ജീവികൾ അധിവസിക്കുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്രകൃതി. പ്രകൃതി വിഭവങ്ങളുടെ പ്രാധാന്യത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് അവബോധം സൃഷ്ടിക്കുന്നതിനും പ്രകൃതി വിഭവങ്ങളെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുന്നതിനും ആളുകളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുന്നതിനും വേണ്ടിയാണ് ജൂലൈ 28 ലോകമെമ്പാടും പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണ ദിനമായി ആഘോഷിക്കപ്പെടുന്നത്. പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണം എന്നാൽ പ്രകൃതിയെ അമിതമായി ചൂഷണം ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കുക എന്നതാണ്. ഈ ഭൂമിയിൽ മനുഷ്യർക്ക് മതം നിലനിൽക്കാനാവില്ല. മനുഷ്യരും പ്രകൃതിയും, ജന്തുക്കളും സസ്യങ്ങളും, അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിലെ ഓരോ ഘടകവും നമ്മുടെ ആവാസ വ്യവസ്ഥയിലെ ഓരോ കണ്ണികളാണ്. പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണത്തിന്റെ പ്രധാന ഘടകങ്ങളാണ് വനസംരക്ഷണം, മൃഗസംരക്ഷണം, നദീജല സംരക്ഷണം എന്നിവ. എന്നാൽ ആധുനിക മനുഷ്യന്റെ ഉപഭോഗ ശക്തി മൂലം ഒട്ടനവധി ജീവജാല ഭൂമിയിൽ നിന്ന് അപ്രത്യക്ഷമായിരിക്കുന്നു. പരിസ്ഥിതി മലിനീകരണത്തിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും രൂക്ഷമായ വശം മാലിന്യ കൂമ്പാരമാണ്. അതിനെ വേണ്ട വിധത്തിൽ സംസ്കരിക്കുക വഴി ഒരു പരിധിവരെ മലിനീകരണം തടയാനാകും. പ്രകൃതി ദുരന്തങ്ങളും കാലാവസ്ഥ മാറ്റങ്ങളും മനുഷ്യ മനസ്സുകളെ ആശങ്കയിലും ഭീതിയിലുമാക്കുന്നു. പൂർവികർ നമുക്ക് നൽകിയ മനോഹര ഭൂമി അതുപോലെ ഭാവി തലമുറയ്ക്ക് കൈമാറാൻ നാം ബാധ്യസ്ഥരാണ്. ഓരോ മനുഷ്യന്റെയും ആവശ്യം നിറവേറ്റാൻ ഭൂമിക്ക് കഴിയും, പക്ഷെ ഓരോ മനുഷ്യന്റെ അത്യാഗ്രഹം നിറവേറ്റാൻ ഭൂമിക്ക് കഴിയില്ല എന്ന മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധിയുടെ പ്രസിദ്ധമായ ഈ വാക്കുകൾ ഉണർത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി.
Thank you, Miss Ria. It was fabulous. Today, 28th July, Nature Conservation Day, we the students of Beagle International School connect so many programs for you. So, let's watch it.
tap while you are not using it. You should try to save water. Oh, sorry. I will not repeat it again. Moving natural light is better. So you need to save energy. Oh, sorry, Iman. Okay. Iman, come fast. What happened, Ruhi? I'll show you something. Go slowly, Ruhi, or else we will fall together. Huh? What happened, Ruhi?
Cleaned up all this mess, but our cat Dommy did this.
Oh, fed up with him. Plastic should not be thrown like this.
Why?
Because it will create pollution in the environment.
Then what we should do with the plastics?
We should clean all the plastics and keep it safe. One person from Panchayat will come and collect it.
Oh, is it? Then what about the plastics that are thrown nearby the road outside?
Oh, is it? Let's go and see. Let's go and clean it.
First, we could take the mask and go.
Okay. Let's do this, Rohit. Come on, Rohit. Let's wash our hands. What happened, Rohit?
We cleaned it, but again, if we put plastics, what we should do?
I have an idea. Come. Come on, Rohit. Let's do this.
What are you looking at, Iman?
I am looking at the trees. I was thinking that all these trees are planted by our elders. That's why we get fruits, coconuts, and all those things. Rohit, I think we should grow some plants.
Okay, now itself we can go.
Okay, let's go.
It's not yours, it's not mine, it's ours. So protect our nature.
Save the nature. Save the world.
Thank you. Bye. Next side.
Lengthy video.
Take one more color paper. Side mark then cutting. Make a cover. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Then take carrot paper. Draw a tongue. Then cut. Glue apply, then join it. Next, take a white paper, then draw in. Draw a teeth and cutting. Draw it and cut. Next, eye making. 3 size circle. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my I like your style. Ooh, you make me
like a Hellcat.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Yeah. Say what you wanna say to me now. I want
Tell me like a Hellcat.
oh.
Thank you, dears. We need to give honor and respect to our nation. So let's get ready for the national anthem. Here is Aisha Sharifa for national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे गाहे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय
Thank you, Aisha Sharifa.